Is your PS5 displaying error code CE-100095-5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the console. When you experience CE-100095-5 while starting a game, restart the console. When you get such an error, first restart the console. Press the PS button on your controller to open the control center. Select Power, choose Restart PS5 option. Once the device restarts, check if this could resolve the issue. Method 2. Verify the game's compatibility. The next thing you should do is confirm that the game you intend to play is compatible with PS5. You can find this information on the game's official website or the PlayStation Store. Game developers typically provide detailed system requirements and compatibility details on their websites. Search for any notes or tags indicating the game works with the PS5. Method 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure your PS5 is connected to a stable internet connection. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, select Network, then select Test Internet Connection. You can also connect another device to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. Method 4. Check PSN server status. Next, check if the PSN server is having any issue. To do that, visit the PlayStation Network status page. Check if PSN services are active and are not undergoing maintenance. If the server is under maintenance, wait for some time till the server is up and live again. Method 5. Update the game. If the game is fully downloaded on your system and it is showing errors while playing, check for the game updates. Highlight the game, press the Options button. Select Check for Update to ensure the game is updated to the latest version. Method 6. Change the video transfer rate. The next thing you should do is change the video transfer rate. To do that, open Settings, select Screen and Video option, then select Video Output. Then turn the setting off or set it to Automatic. Method 7. Tweak settings. Next, tweak a few system settings. Navigate to PS5 settings, go to Screen and Video, select Video Output. Select Resolution and try out a lower resolution. Next, you can turn off the variable refresh rate or VRR. Next, enable the 120Hz video output for games that support 120Hz frame rate. If that doesn't work for you, you can turn it off. Scroll down and next turn off the HDR. Turning off HDR during games on your PS5 can sometimes improve your gaming experience. Method 8. Check for updates. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 9. Delete and reinstall content. Next, you can uninstall and reinstall the game on which you are experiencing the error. To uninstall a game on PS5, open PS5 device storage, then head to console storage. Then select Games and Apps. Now select the problematic game and select the delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. After the game is deleted, go to PlayStation Store and re-download the game. Once the download is complete, restart your PS5 and try launching the game. Method 10. Restore licenses. The next thing you can do is restore licenses. To do that, head to Settings, then select Users and Accounts. Then, Other than, Restore licenses. This can fix network connection errors that might be causing the issue. Method 11. Rebuild database. Next, you can rebuild the database. To do that, turn off your PS5 completely, ensuring it's not in rest mode. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This will start the console in safe mode, which should take 5 to 8 seconds. Connect a DualSense controller using a USB cable once in safe mode. Press the PS button on the controller, then select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database from the menu using the controller to navigate. Confirm the rebuild operation by pressing the X button on the controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. After completing the rebuild process, restart the console. Contact PlayStation support. If the previous methods shown did not resolve the issue, you may need to contact PlayStation support for further assistance. Clearly state your problem and follow the instructions provided by their experts to address this issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when you are experiencing error code CE-100095-5 on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned, click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.